Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to change the language on Snapchat. Whether you're switching to your native language or exploring a new one, this guide will help you make the change in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings. Next, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page. This is the Settings button. Tap on it to open Snapchat's Settings menu. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled My Account. Under this section, look for the option that says Language. Tap on it to enter the language settings. Here, you'll see a list of all available languages supported by Snapchat. Browse through the list and select your preferred language by tapping on it. After choosing your desired language, confirm your selection. Snapchat will apply the changes immediately, and that's it. Your Snapchat app is now updated to display text and interface elements in your selected language. If you ever want to switch back or choose another language, simply follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with friends who might need it. See you in the next video.